Hey, creative friends. Hey, Rebecca here. And I actually today have a 3D print that last minute entering another contest over on MakerWorld. And this was the photography accessories contest. And so I'll show you this 3D print in a minute. But I needed something that would hold my phone at a horizontal because I've been playing around with these AR drawing apps. I'll do a later video on that. Yeah, so it will be able to hold the phone upright like that, or like this, and then in my case, I needed one that would do my phone horizontally so that I could do this AR drawing app. And that AR drawing app's really cool. It projects this image onto your paper so that you can then just trace it. So this is a 3D printed file that I'm going to be sharing on MakerWorld. So come over and give me a like and a boost if you'd like it. And then I'll show you, it's a real simple 3D print. It just comes as these 3 pieces. So you make it any color you want, and it's super fast and easy to print. And then you can just take that with you with all your sketching tools. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll put the links down below.